Which is the biggest animal on the land? An elephant is the biggest animal on the land. Which animal has longest neck? The giraffe has longest neck. Which festival do we celebrate for 9 days? Navratri. How many times do we brush our teeth? 2 times. In the morning and in the night. Which festival comes with diyas and rangoli? Diwali is the festival of diyas and rangoli. Name 2 vegetables which grow in the soil. Carrot and ginger. How many sides a rectangle has? 4 sides. What is the shape of a pencil? Cylinder. Which is our national fruit? A mango. Which is our national animal? The tiger.